To customize the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings we need to find Wallpaper and Style, and then let's go here. And then you should be able to tap on the lock screen. And there we go, we can now start customizing it. Here in the upper left corner you can change the wallpaper. But besides that, you should also be able to tap on the clock in order to customize it. We can change the font. Let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this one. We can adjust the thickness of the font. And we can also change the color. We can adapt colors from the wallpaper, or you can just use any color over here. So there we go, we have a couple of different options. We even have the gradient. You can also go to style in order to choose one of these available clock faces. We can also toggle weather information, or we can show the date above the clock. Now, besides that, of course, we can adjust the size. So here we can grab by these corners to make the clock bigger or smaller, and you can also move it around a little bit to adjust the position. We can also find widgets, so here if you tap on Add Widgets, then you should be able to include some of the widgets on the lock screen as well. So for example, I can include the screen time, and let's say I'm gonna also use the reminder over here. There we go. As you can see, it looks like that. Other than that, we can also, of course, customize these shortcuts that we have in the bottom left and bottom right corner. So if you want to use different apps or different features, you can easily do so. Or you can just set to no app to remove those shortcuts. Once you are done with the customization, just tap on the done in the upper right corner, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.